Welcome to Linux Help channel. Today we are going to see how to install LAMP on Oracle Linux 8.5. LAMP stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL and PHP, which are all open source platforms used in web development that uses Linux as the operating system, Apache as the web server, PHP as an object-oriented programming language, and MySQL as the relational database management system. Perl or Python can also be used in place of PHP. First, I'm gonna check the OS version cat/etc/os-release. We are currently using Oracle Linux Server version 8.5. In LAMP procedure, first I'm gonna install Apache using yum command yum-y install httpd. So it's installed. Enable and start the httpd service. System control enable httpd. System control start httpd. Now I'm gonna check the status of the Apache. System control status httpd. Yeah, it's running. Check whether the Apache is working or not. Go to Firefox. New tab. Enter the IP address 192.168.6.121. Apache test page is working. Close the tab. Install Mariadb. yum-y install Mariadb and Mariadb server -server. Now Mariadb is installed, so we have to enable and start Mariadb. System control enable Mariadb. System control start Mariadb. Now I am gonna check whether the Mariadb is running or not. System control status Mariadb. Yeah, it's running. Now I am gonna install MySQL _ secure _ installation. Enter. Set the root password. Yes. Enter the password. Re-enter. Remove anonymous user. Yes. Disallow root login remotely. Yes. Remove test database and access to it. Yes. Reload privileged tables now. Yes. Now finally I'm gonna install PHP. yum-y install PHP modules. It's installed. Enable and start the service. System control enable PHP. System control start PHP. Now I am gonna check whether the PHP is running or not. System control status PHP. Yeah, it's active. Create the PHP extension file in HTML directory using vim command. Vim /var www html /info.php. Make insert php info semicolon. Write and quit. Restart the Apache HTTPD service. It's now restarted. Changes I have made will be reflected now. So go to web browser. New tab. Enter the IP. Along with info.php. It's loading.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.